Don't you think we look hot? I mean, we are polka dotted.
As in hot flash?
Hot flash, no. So, guess what? We're talking about meatballs today. Oh,
we are, but I want you to notice Starbucks. It is my favorite, the peppermint mocha, non-fat, venti, 3-shot, no whip.
Wow.
So if Starbucks wants to sponsor, we'd be mighty happy to do that.
Okay. Well, or something else.
Anything.
You know, seriously, we'll take any sponsors. Well, I don't know that I take any sponsors, but you know what we're going to do today is one of my favorite. I'm totally into Italian. We're going to do meatballs in a minute. And we're going to basically have an Italian meal for you. As Janet says, Italian, but so the first thing we're going to do is take 1 pound of lean hamburger, and I'm going to dump this into this.
Italian. Starts with an I. I.
You know, call us. I don't know.
Italian.
I don't know.
Who pronounced Italian like the white trash like me? Italian. I know. There's
you know what? You
out
better
there.
Facebook us, because if that's a problem with that whole white trash thing. So we're gonna do meatballs in a minute, and you know, Janet's using the fork, and I probably wouldn't go that far, but we're just all these things are just gonna go into the meatballs. We're gonna do half a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, which is, you know, you could do prepared Italian seasoning. What are you looking for?
A spoon for the garlic.
You know what? Don't eyeball it.
Well, I put that in the meat.
So garlic, clove. Everybody likes garlic. You can do half a cup of Parmesan cheese. If you've noticed, in the week we like Parmesan cheese. And we're going to do 1 egg, and then we're going to mix this all together, and Jan's going to take off her wedding ring. We're going to preheat the oven to 375, and we're going to make meatballs, and then you're going to basically cook up a pound, or however many there are, a pound for probably 6 people. You know, I eat a lot of pasta. I really love pasta. I don't know, I think maybe I have a carbohydrate or something like that. But anyway, you can open up a can, or if you're into the homemade stuff, you can do that too.
But if you don't have time, you get a can of that. You've got homemade meatballs.
But you know what I do? I tend to make up a whole bunch of hamburger and make sauce, and I freeze it, and then I just have it forever. So, so Janet is mushing these in. We're going to form into little balls, and then we're going to put it in a baking pan, which I don't know where that baking pan is.
It's right over here.
Okay. And so, you know, one of the things that I'm going to talk about. We normally save table talk for the din, but you know, I think it's kind of very important to talk about. What were we going to talk about?
I don't know, but you could be useful while you're talking. And make a few
you know what? I was going to talk. What I thought was important. You know, there's a lot of politics, and we got the oil thing going on, and all that stuff, and the Gulf. But you know, what is it like to be an American? And I decided to ask my grandkids. You know, what is it like to be an American?
Now, how old are they again?
And you know why? Because when we mushed this together, I was thinking, you know, this country is all about a whole bunch of different people, all in a meatball.
I'm right there.
Jan's Parmesan cheese. You will not believe how good these things taste.
They smell really good.
We have a couple of other recipes coming up for you. You know, you'll have to tune in because you're on Facebook. You don't have time. You know that.
Every morning.
Actually, we don't really have time either. We're doing this. It's like, what, midnight?
And speaking of that, I have heard that Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday are the big days for Facebook, and people aren't there much on the weekends. Monday, they're getting in the swing of work. Friday, they're getting ready to go out. So if you're not on every day, you can send us an email, and we will email you once a week all 5 recipes with the shopping list and everything.
So what does it say about us that we're on Facebook? So Facebook is interesting, isn't it? It's like we're all chatting on Facebook. Are we not chatting face to face?
What I like about it, because you know I'm not a real social person,
right?
And so I can know what everyone's doing, but I don't have to say anything at all.
Well,
I can if I want to.
You are a contributor,
and sometimes I do say things.
You contribute a lot.
You can't make people really mad when I say
she
things.
does.
I'm
she
usually
does.
pretty
Seriously.
political.
But I want. Okay, so I'm gonna. What I want you to do is tonight for dinner, after you make this unbelievable meatball thing, is meatballs in a minute, which is actually kind of a lie. It's a little bit more than a minute.
Okay, it's 3.5.
It would have been longer. I mean shorter, but Janet was talking. Is that ask them what it's like. What does it mean to be an American? I feel like our country, you know, and this is not a political show, obviously, but I have a feeling. When we talk about wrinkles, we talk about frownies, we talk about Botox, we talk about all this. We have an opinion about everything. But being an American, what does that mean to our children? And is it diluted over time? Because what it meant to my parents and what it means to us and our kids, grandkids now, is it different? So I think it's important. Ask them, you know, what does it mean? And try to focus on having more provocative discussions at dinner instead of just what you do at school. And
so what did your grandkids say when you asked them that question? Because
there was a they're 11.
11.
Wow, it's been a while. I'm older than she thinks. There was a variety of answers of what do they mean. I mean, their world is pretty small, so a lot of their answers are focused more on just sort of the immediate school thing and stuff.
What their friends say.
Or what their parents say. You know, we tend to do things what our parents say. And I guess I feel like we should have little independent thinkers. So
Okay, so what does it mean to be an American?
What does it mean to you?
I just keep having that song in my head, Lee Greenwood, I'm proud to be
Yeah.
an American.
So when you are listening to those kinds of songs, do you get the shivers and stuff?
Sometimes I do. It's just, it's about, we're innovative and we are independent and we help each other, but we take care of ourselves.
But we should
Republican,
be-
Democrat,
It doesn't really
independent.
matter, does it?
Doesn't, no.
Right.
We're all
But we
Americans.
should all be involved, and that's the one
Yes.
thing that we've learned is that you have to be kind of involved in the whole
Yes.
thing. So
That's
get
right.
your kids involved because we're making decisions for their future right
That's
now.
right.
So Starbucks, call us.
Starbucks,
Hunts, call us, and
Hunts.
Crystal Clear, call us
Yeah.
because you know what? We're fun.
Walmart.
Yep.
Kroger.
Exactly. So
We
we're
don't
gonna see
care.
you. We'll see
See
you
you
tomorrow.
tomorrow.
Thanks for watching. Bye.